If you're an Airbnb host, you're probably familiar with the excitement of sharing your space with travelers from around the world. But have you ever wondered why some non-users of Airbnb seem to resent the platform? Today, I'm going to dive into the reasons behind this resentment and how you, as a host, can be a better neighbor. One major reason for the resentment is the impact on housing availability and affordability. In many cities, locals feel that short-term rentals are driving up rent prices and reducing the number of homes available for long-term residents. This can understandably lead to frustration, especially in areas already struggling with housing shortages. Another issue is the change in neighborhood dynamics. Long-term residents often feel displaced by the constant flow of tourists. This can disrupt the sense of community and turn once quiet neighborhoods into bustling tourist hotspots. It's not just about noise and traffic, it's about a place feeling less like home. Additionally, there's the concern about safety and security. Residents may worry about having strangers in their neighborhood, especially if there's a lack of communication or transparency about who's coming and going. This can lead to a sense of unease and mistrust. So how can you, as an Airbnb host, address these concerns and be a better neighbor? First, consider engaging with your community. Attend local meetings, listen to concerns, and be transparent about your hosting activities. Building relationships with your neighbors can go a long way in easing their worries. Second, be mindful of your impact on the neighborhood. Set clear house rules to minimize noise and disruption. Encourage your guests to respect the local community and its traditions. A little consideration can make a big difference. Third, support local businesses. Recommend nearby cafes, shops, and attractions to your guests. This not only boosts the local economy, but also shows your neighbors that you're invested in the community's well-being. Lastly, consider renting your space long-term if possible. While short-term rentals can be lucrative, long-term rentals contribute to housing stability and might be more appreciated by your community. In conclusion, understanding and addressing the concerns of non-Airbnb users can help bridge the gap between hosts and their neighbors. By engaging with your community, being mindful of your impact, supporting local businesses, and considering long-term rentals, you can make a positive contribution to your neighborhood. Remember, a harmonious community benefits everyone. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.